Good morning, students. Till now, we have studied about how to solve a pair of linear equations graphically. But it is not convenient to use graphical method in all the cases. So now, from today onwards, we will be learning how to solve a pair of linear equations by various other methods. I will be teaching you 4 methods, that is the algebraic methods, 4 methods. Now, what are those 4 methods which we will be using? First is substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, and special method. So there are two methods of solving a pair of linear equations. First is graphical method and the other is algebraic method. In algebraic method, these 4 methods are involved. Now let us start with the substitution method. Let us take an example. Let us take a pair of linear equations. Okay, 3x minus 5y equals to 8 and x plus y equals to 9. We are using substitution method. So let us see. Substitution means we have to substitute one value for the value of one variable in the other equation. Okay, let us see how to do it. So here the equation 2 is x plus y equals to 9. So from equation 2 we can write down y equals to 9 minus x, isn't it? Now let us number this equation as 3. Now we will substitute. Let us substitute this y equals to 9 minus x, that is equation 3 in equation 1. Now when you substitute equation 3 in equation 1, what do we get? 3x minus 5y equals to 8, or 3x minus, in place of y we will write down 9 minus x equals to 8. Just solve it. When you solve it, you will get it as 3x minus 45 plus 5x equals to 8, or 8x minus 45 equals to 8, or x equals to 53 by 8. So we have got the value of x. Now what we will do, we will put this value of x, okay, in equation 3, that is y. We will find out the value of y by substituting the value of x in equation 3. Just substitute it. Y equals to 9 minus 53 by 8. When you just put it, you will get it as 72 minus 53, because 9 8s are 72. We have taken the LCM, that is 19 by 8. So we have got the value x equals to 53 by 8 and y equals to 19 by 8. This is how substitution method is used. Now let us understand the elimination method. Elimination method means the value of 1 is eliminated. Just try to understand. See here, I have again taken two equations, that is I have taken a pair of linear equations in two variables. 5x minus 3y equals to 8 and 4x plus 2y equals to 9. Now I have multiplied equation 1. Here you see, I have multiplied equation 1 by 2. Okay, this equation by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Why have I done this? Let us first multiply and get the equation. When you multiply this equation by 2, what do you get? 10x minus 6y equals to 16, isn't it? And when you multiply this equation by 3, you will get it as 12x plus 6y equals to 27. The main aim of multiplying this equation is I wanted to eliminate this value. Okay. So when I am doing this and adding these two equations, what I am getting, this minus 6y and plus 6y will get cancelled. Means y is getting eliminated. One variable I am eliminating. Okay. So and after this I am getting 22x equals to 43, or x equals to 43 by 22. Now I will put this value of x in any of these equations. Okay. In any of these equations to get the value of y. So I am substituting this value of x in equation 2. When you put this value in equation 2, you will get it as 4 into 43 plus 22 plus 2y equals to 9. Let us solve it. When you solve it, you will get it as 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. So 2 into 43 is 86 by 11 plus 2y equals to 9, or 2y equals to 9 minus 86 by 11, that is 99 minus 86 by 11. When you solve it, you will get it as 13 by 11. Okay, so this is equal to 2y. Now what is y equal to? Y will be equal to 13 by 11 into 2, that is 13 by 22. So by elimination method we have got x equals to 43 by 22 and y equals to 13 by 22.